So today I've got a special little unboxing, which is very exciting for me. See that? Nice smooth strokes. So this unboxing is more papers. What have we got? Goodies. A list of things. Oh yeah, baby. That's right. We got it going on. Salt lance. Command lance. Oh, look at this. What's this? Sword and Dragon kit. So in case people are wondering, why am I looking at this? Because today we're exploring BattleTech. What I am going to do is run through some of these, not today, go through what we've got, figure out who's what. So this has all been delivered, taking about a month and a bit, but we got there in the end. Quick Start Lance kit. Play right out of the box. Yeah, sort of, but yeah, you can. Sweet. So for those of you not too sure, BattleTech is a game sort of like giant robots. That's it in a very simplified form. We'll go through a lot of this as we're exploring the game, because like most of the older games, it's one of those things where you need a lot of help. Now I am looking for, there we are, that's what I'm looking for. Bases. They come in sort of half bases, some of them, but then these other ones don't come with bases at all. Now I'm only finding bases. Alright, what have we got? Ostsaw Panther. This is a Panther. Oh, it comes with a clear base. Okay, alright, fair enough. Oh, because it can jump. That's right, of course. So you can have it jumping if you want. Yeah, it's good. Uses hexes, hexagonal pieces as the base. And there are two ways to play it. One is on an open board with inches and everything else. The other is using printed maps. They're on hex sheets. So what, as I said, I've go through all of this. I've got it arrived today. So make sure it's all good. They've said everything's been ticked, but we'll have a look and start putting them together. Get a few painted in the different house colours. There are different groups, and it's going to be awesome. It's going to be great. Loving it. So this is a teaser. All good. Alright, so get ready for some BattleTech madness. Now, there are a lot of different specific eras for BattleTech, and they've got some laid out for this more modern version, but as you can see, this has got classic next to it. I've got all the original rules, so that's pretty much what I'll be running with. It's all very much the same. It's all available everywhere, online and so on. Like I said, we'll run through various gameplay and ways to build your squads, which are called lances. A squad of 4 is a lance, and generally you only run with 1 lance versus a lance. If you play with more than that, it can get quite intricate. So this is the original BattleTech. Well, not the original, but I think circa 1989, 1990. This is the hex map that I was talking about. It folds out and you can put a few of them together. The terrain pieces on there, drawn up, different levels, different depths, light cover, heavy cover. These were the original mechs that came with the box, so these are plastic. And fit in a hex, like that. So once I've got a few things sorted out, we'll run through the basis on how to play the game. And as I said, the rules haven't changed in many years, but just different styles have evolved. Some of these mechs are designed based on other things, but may recognize some of the imagery. Rifleman. They're all plastic. These ones are. The ones that came in just a moment ago, they're all metal. Ironwind Metals, Aries Miniature Games, guys, thank you very much. Got it in the end. These are the sheets. Some of the sheets for shooting and such. Ranges in hexes, which if you're not playing with hexes you have to convert to inches. And there are ways of doing that. As I said, we'll go through a lot of this a bit later, not right now. But it's an excellent game. It's a good skirmish game. You don't need a lot of models on the board, and it's entertaining. You can knock it all out within an hour or so, if you're lucky. And with enough mechs, you can vary the games. And it's quite open-ended. Alright, well, that's just a very quick model today we're looking at. So once I've got on my feet with all of this, we'll run through some basics and we'll start it from scratch. But I was just too excited when the box arrived today. Alright. Thanks. Alright, thank you very much. Classic BattleTech, ladies and gentlemen. Or as those of us from the old grognard days, we like to call it just BattleTech, but it's alright. Thank you, and hopefully we'll see you next, well, you'll see this next time, and like, subscribe and all that. I'll put details as to where to get the models, just an online store, but with the current situation it took a while for it to come down here to Australia, but that's alright. Well worth the wait.